Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, Toyota Entune, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2014 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, bucket seats, MP3 playback stereo. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.